Hi guys! So a lot of people have requested me to make a tutorial video on how to draw cherries. So I'm here to do just that. So let's get right into it. So yeah, cherry is really hard to draw actually. So I do have two sets of rules to draw cherry, especially her hair. So we'll just talk about that because the other parts of her body is relatively easy to draw. So, okay, let me just draw the ears and the face first. Good. And now, the moment of truth. So, first, you need a pivot point in order to, draw the hair strands. So, yep, here. And the amount of hair that she has is about 18 to 19. So you need to remember that magical number. And me as well. So, let's see. First, the bangs that swoops out of her face. Oh, yeah. Yep, like that. I'm not gonna draw a perfect line art because this is just a tutorial. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh yeah, the seventh strand is the right side bang. Always. So, yep. It covers her right ear, so we're just going to remove that. Oh, oops. This is my first time, guys, so excuse me if I have anything. And then it loops up. And I don't have a camera either, so the quality is going to be sucky. And then 8. Yeah, you need to count in your mind. 9. Oops, 9, 10, 11. Yeah, it looks like the face of a muffin or a cupcake. I mean, a cupcake. 11. Yeah, it needs to bulge up a little bit because she has the skull. 12. I think I lost count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, 13. So far, so good. 14. Oh, yeah, I know. It's hard to draw. 15. 16. 17. Good enough. So I would say about 16 to 19 strands of hair in total. I think her ears are too big, so yeah. Yep, that's how you draw Cherry's hair. Okay, now to color her hair, there's also a trick as well. I usually forgot about that, so let me just look at the references. Oh, wait. Where is it? Sprites. Cherry sprites. Yep, there it is. I mean, there she is. So, yep, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yep, gotcha. So, the odd numbers are going to be brown, and the even numbers are going to be yellow. So, yep, that's the rule of thumb. Yep, that's right. It doesn't really matter in the end. At the end of the hair, because the main thing that must be correct is the left bangs and the right bangs. So yep, maybe I'll add another strand of hair. Yeah, yeah. Here you go, much better. Okay, 1, 3, 5, 7. This is number 1, and this is number 7. 9, 11, 13. 15, 17. Yep, perfect. Now, to add in the colors, another layer. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Perfect. And last one. Oops. Okay, select the even numbered strands of hair. Oops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Perfect. Yep. There you go. That's how you color her hair. And the last touch that you should not forget is her glitter. You can draw the glitter all over her head, but for me, it's about at the vicinity of the center is the best. Yep, that's it. Voila, that is how you draw Cherry's hair. It's not that difficult if you know the rules. So yep, that's it. Bye.